Hi guys, today I'll show you how to replace the OPC drum in a drum cartridge used in the Xerox DocuPrint DC IV 2060. Next, empty and thoroughly clean the waste toner container located inside the drum cartridge. At this point, reinstall the toner cleaning blade followed by the charge roller. Now I'm going to install a new OPC drum. Be careful with the two paper separation claws during installation to avoid scratching the surface of the new OPC drum. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.